Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to scan QR code on Microsoft Authenticator. For that you first have to launch your Microsoft Authenticator application, and on the home page you are going to see the option of add account. So over here you need to tap on add account. Here you need to remember that if you never created your account on your Microsoft Authenticator application, only then you will be able to see this add account button. But if you have already added your email address on Microsoft Authenticator application and now you want to scan the QR code, then you need to tap on this plus icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. Once I've done that, you will be landed on this add account page where you are going to see these three options that would allow you to add your account on Microsoft Authenticator. Now among these three options, you will have to tap on work or school account. This way you will be able to see a pop-up in front of you where you need to tap on scan a QR code. Once done, you will be able to see this type of screen in front of you where you are going to see this QR dialog box. So you just have to provide the QR code in front of it in order for it to scan it. So this is how you can easily scan QR code on Microsoft Authenticator app. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.